At Oriental Motor, we try to answer the needs of every single customer throughout the world. By striving to improve delivery times, product quality, and services through the integration of production, engineering, and sales. Answering the individual needs of every customer and taking orders for single items is made possible by flexible production of small quantities of a wide variety of products. Our production plan is based on a unique production support system which goes into action the moment we receive an order. We have a production system integrating all stages from parts processing to assembly. A manufacturing system unique to Oriental Motor provides timely solutions to a variety of customer needs. With a developmental environment fostering freedom in creativity and guaranteed technological power combined with cutting-edge developmental equipment, we are always staying one step ahead of the times to engage in global research and development across a wide range of fields. For example, in the development of element technology requiring advanced expertise, product development requires the use of our accumulated know-how to achieve speedy designing of products and quality improvement. Furthermore, the safety and reliability of our products are honed at our testing facility, certified by a trusted third party as clearing UL standards, through thorough testing carried out by a variety of equipment and specialist staff. The moment the customer begins considering the movement required is when we start communicating. Oriental Motor's sales staff will quickly ascertain the customer's needs to offer proposals of optimal products. We have sales offices throughout the country, allowing us to provide optimal solutions to the movements sought by customers. Production and technology centers work in close cooperation to provide support to customers in a variety of situations, from before to after making purchases. Production, engineering, and sales combine to respond to the needs of each and every customer. That's what Oriental Motor is all about.